At Guptar Ghat, you have this Gupt Hari Mandir, which is recently renovated by a trust. So here is the place where there are footsteps of Shri Ram, and there are two temples. But what is more interesting about this place is this part which I'm going to show you. Now, there is an entrance over here. First, I was skeptical that whether I am allowed here or not because I thought it might be a private property. But here we go. So you walk in these steps. And then this leads to another short flight of steps. And there you go. All of a sudden, you are on top.